Here, Southern Coast Cooking coming at you. I got my my VAC 100 here. This is my JVR VAC 100, and I'm about to start processing. I've got all these beef tenders over here. This is a secret cut, a meat not a lot of people know about. It's the Terrace Major, and it's excellent, almost like tenderloin. But we're gonna clean them up, get them done. Got my Broad and Taylor little knife sharpener there. And we're gonna get these vacuum sealed up. Dealing with here, it's almost like a big old tenderloin, and we got the silver skin, and that's what I'm gonna take off here. Just trim up that silver skin, and we're gonna get some of these vacuum sealed up, y'all. Oh, I just wrapped some of these, and they're all in big one piece, not like last time. Looks like a tenderloin to me. You reckon they sent us the wrong thing? Wouldn't we have lucked up if we got tenderloin for that price? I won't believe this. Come to find out, at the packing house, they made a mistake. These are actually beef tenderloins. Prime beef tenderloins. I get a whole case of tenderloins here for super cheap, because the other steak, those Terrace Majors, is like $5, $6 a pound. So the JVR VAC 100 did the job. Got all four of those big tenderloins cut up, sealed up, and in the freezer. Y'all check the link in the description box. I put the link where you can get one of these. It'll help me out a little bit and maybe save you some money too. Freezers, both drawers full here. Just kind of letting those freeze before I move them outside.